You can cancel your Apple Music subscription after the trial date using iTunes. So just go and punch in your iTunes app. Just click onto the store. So down here on the right, you can see your account right here. So it'll ask you to log in. And if you scroll down, you can see in settings here that you've got one subscription and you can manage. So once you manage it, you can cancel your subscription, cancel, confirmation, confirm. And now my account says that I currently have one subscription, but doesn't say that it's going to renew. So there we go. That's all.